Right, we're off.
You live?
We are, mate. There's nobody here yet, but we're live.
Okay, cool. Well, we are very hot at the allotment in Woking with HotPods. Woohoo! Very privileged to get a little tour. Been growing, seen the plants come along massive amount the last couple of months. It's been really cool. So we'll just go through some varieties. You can check out some pods here. So starting with the Poblano, see the bell pepper, quite large fruit, not too hot. They're looking nice and healthy. Presume they'll go red, will they?
They will eventually. They're pretty sort of size of a bell pepper.
Yeah,
got quite a few on there, so
yeah.
that's quite good. Nice bit of heat to them, not too hot.
On to Dixon.
Yeah. Jalapeno Dixon.
You see a bit of corking there. It's looking good.
Yeah.
Again, quite a good sized fruit there. Lovely colour.
Yeah, they've got like a purple sort of colour, haven't they? Green and them to purple, but then you'll see in a moment there's a couple that will start to go red.
They're looking good. We've got actually an unknown variety.
This is actually Rich Ingham's Cyril, so it's the Ahi Lemon versus Dorset Naga cross. So you can see the pods come out quite sort of bulbous.
Yeah.
If I can get it in focus. Yeah. It's probably off the Naga, yeah.
Yeah.
It's quite prolific. I think I've got 4 plants. This is probably the least prolific out of all of them, but
got another Dixon there at the back.
yeah, let's get round. So this is another jalapeno Dixon. So you can see here.
That's a good one there.
It's starting to got a nice red colour.
Yeah.
Got nice purple, big, quite chunky pods on it. Yeah.
It's a
Pimenta Cougar.
Haven't heard of that before actually.
No, it's a habanero. Again, we're getting a pod down the bottom there, starting to ripen.
Yeah.
So quite a few on there.
Quite variety in shape, isn't there?
Yeah. I mean, they've got that little sort of bit at the bottom where you've got like 4 points, you know, like that. But then,
that one doesn't.
Then you've got one that hasn't. So
quite literally, they are neighbours.
Yeah. It shows you can get pretty much any shape and colour off them.
It's actually a cherry bomb, but I'm not quite sure about that.
Yeah, it's a cherry bomb, but it just hasn't taken the right pheno shape. Not overly impressed with this one, to be honest, this year, because it's got like really thick walls, and yeah, I'm not sure what we're going to do with that yet. But quick on the Serrano plant, that is just not doing anything at all. Don't know what's wrong with that really. It just hasn't took off, and just everything's dropping off it. So unknown.
Agi lemon, so obviously still got to change colour, etc. But nice, big, quite good sized pods there.
Yeah, we're getting some big ones. Aren't we?
Yeah, it is. Look at that one. Plenty of fruit on that one.
Nice. Cool.
Let's go inside.
Yep. Little quick bit on the jalapeno that we stripped. It's just coming back, giving the second wave now.
Congo Peach. So you can see some of the colours changing there at the bottom. And again, quite a lot of fruit on this one.
Yeah, it's doing pretty well, isn't it?
Yeah.
Cool. So these ones are now on the auto pots, aren't they?
Yeah, so that's our gravity fed water system, which just comes out the tank here through the small pipes, splits into the trays. These have what we call a kind of flip-flop valve, so it constantly keeps the water at a constant level. There's gravel in the bottom of each pot to stop the soil rotting, and also the plant taking up too much water, and it just kind of helps itself. So it seems to be working quite well actually.
Yeah, it's got six plants on this one, and then 4 on this and 4 on this. There's 14 in total, isn't there?
Yeah. So another hot one, Jay's Red Scorpion. Look at that one.
Yeah, they're doing good, aren't they?
Yeah. You can see the texture on it as well. And the tail, which you know is going to be hot. The 2 telltale signs.
Yeah. So I was just saying before, Dave, this plant here, right in the amongst of all of them, and it's got like 1 or 2 pods, and it's just dropping flowers left, right, and centre. So it just goes to show you now that you can have tons and tons of plants with fruit on them, but just some of them just drop for no reason, you know. Well, there probably is a reason, but
Can you get in to see this one?
yeah.
So this is purple viper Naga. Is that right?
Naga, purple Naga viper brain, I think, without looking at the.
Cool. Look at that one. Can you see that one? Oh,
Yeah. Wow.
Starting to change a little bit of colour.
Yeah, you can see it's got quite a few little ones on, and the ones right at the bottom are getting quite big.
Is that another Dixon?
Yeah, another jalapeno Diguito. And there's a good one at the bottom there, and I'm just going to show that one.
Right down there. A lot of corking on that one.
Yeah, nice. Good example of what it should look like.
Show you what this one is. Katie.
Yeah. Again, so just really starting this one.
Yeah, you can see, look at quite a lot of flowers at the top there, so it's got a fair bit to go, but
yeah, it's big plant, but just not too much on it yet. This one's a good one. Is this some sort of bubble gum? Where's the tag? Yeah, strawberry bubble gum. So you can see you've got the big calyx bits at the top. That's a cool plant. God, it's so hot in here, isn't it?
yeah, we've got a chocolate reaper here. So, oh, hang on, look. Woohoo!
Actually,
Yeah,
we've got some runts.
we have.
Nice. Can you see them? Yeah, there you go.
So do one?
Yeah. Take one off and have one.
I didn't even know they did a chocolate reaper, to be honest, until the quiz the other day. Breakfast.
How's that? Sometimes the runts are stupidly hot, sometimes they've got no heat. I can smell it from here.
Oh. It's actually really nice. It's got
Reaper heat?
I'll let you know in 5 minutes. Reaper's a creeper, right? Whoa.
I can't tell whether you can see it's hot because you're hot from just being in here.
Yeah. No, it's got heat.
Good.
Oh.
I think we've got Trinidad perfume there, so it's doing pretty well. It's got a few flowers, a few pods. In fact, it's got tons of flowers, not loads and loads of pods. But yeah, Hurtberry as well. Okay, then we've got a mess, and then we've got second tunnel.
Polytunnel? Another chocolate reaper?
Yeah, no, in fact that is a chocolate riot. Is it chocolate riot?
So is reaper.
Oh, chocolate reaper. There you go. Now I think, pretty sure that's caramel scorpion.
Yeah. Again, lovely looking fruit.
Can you pick that one at the back? The one that's got colour. Just to show. No, there's a big one. There's a big one right at the back there. Yeah, there we go. Look at that. Nice caramel reaper.
Won't be trying that one. No way, Jose.
Habanada here. So this is another one that hasn't got too much heat. Cool. And at the back, I think that's some sort of ghost. And then we have paper lantern. You can tell I've took over the talking from Dave, can't you? Since he's had that chocolate reaper.
So hot. Sweating pints.
There you go, paper lantern. And then last one is the Harold St. Bart's. which you can see is doing really well. That's just...
Got some colour there.
Yeah. No, it's not. I've done something with it. I've done something with it and it's not focused anymore. Ah, there you go. I've done something with the phone and it's not too focused, but hopefully you can see that colour. Dave's just having a break at the moment off that chocolate reaper.
Nice breakfast.
What have I done with this? Look. I've done something with the focus. Anyway, there you go. Alright, thank you very much for watching. So bye Dave.
Cheers.
Fuzzy Dave in the background.